Hi, this is Siobhan Gouge, and it's festival time again this year when we are having the Return of the Living Legends Awards, Thursday, June the 23rd at 5 o'clock. I'm in the Muskogee Dome, located at the Claude Cox Omniplex. This year, we are honoring living legends Perry Anderson, Lillian Thomas, Woodco Long, and Josephine Wildcat Bigler. Also, the Muskogee Creek Nation Executive Offices, we are hosting an open house Saturday, June the 25th at 11:30 following the festival parade. There will be donated door prizes and food provided. So come out and join us for these two special events hosted by the Muskogee Creek Nation. Also, we want to make mention that we will have shuttle parking here at the complex parking lots and also at the Housing Authority parking lot. And the shuttle will be running every 20 minutes to a destined area there at the Omniplex. And so it would make it easier for you to come and park, and you'll have easy access in and out of the Omniplex. And so we want to encourage everyone to use our shuttle parking, and also we will be glad and honored to see you there here at this year's Muskogee Creek Nation Festival. Mado.